Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best straw lid is probably one of the most convenient accessories you can add to your Hydro Flask, transforming it into an even more versatile hydration companion for life on the go. This lid is designed to make sipping your favorite beverages effortless, whether you're hitting the gym, embarking on a hike, or simply navigating a busy day, ensuring you stay refreshed without missing a beat. Its intuitive design allows for quick and easy access to your drink, making it an indispensable tool for anyone who values both functionality and convenience in their daily hydration routine. Number 5. Hydro Flask Standard Mouth Straw Lid Value Pack. Introducing the ultimate straw lid set for your standard mouth water bottle. This value pack includes everything you need for convenient hydration on the go. Designed to fit Hydro Flask standard mouth bottles and compatible with other 1.9-inch diameter bottles. You can even trim the straw to ensure a perfect fit for your specific bottle size. Experience superior insulation thanks to its double wall structure. It keeps your drinks perfectly cold or hot for extended periods, outperforming other straw lids on the market. Stay hydrated effortlessly with the easy-to-use flip-top bite valve. Plus, you can trust it won't leak, even when laid down in your bag. Enjoy a comfortable drinking experience with the polished, large round handle and a unique oval mouth opening that reduces sipping sounds. It's perfect for any activity. Cleaning is a breeze with the included brush and transparent bite valve. The convenient carabiner lets you attach it to your backpack, making it easy to take anywhere. We stand by our product. Located in Houston, Texas, we are here to provide daily support. Contact us immediately if you encounter any issues, and we'll make it right. What we like. This lid comes as a complete value pack, including everything you need for immediate use. If you're looking for a versatile option that allows you to customize the fit and enjoy a leak-proof experience, this is a great choice. It's ideal for those who appreciate having all the accessories included and the flexibility to trim the straw to their exact bottle size. What people say. This replaced the original top and gave it a nice loop to hold and a spout to drink from. This is much easier than unscrewing the cap and having water fall out. The straw was too long, so I just cut it to the right length for my bottle. This also comes with extra straws. They seem to be silicone or similar, so they are somewhat floppy, but they function well. I have had 0 leaks with this lid. The straw is sturdier than I expected, which is definitely a plus. The cleaning straw works extremely well, and the included carabiner is pretty nifty too. I especially appreciate how the nozzle seals off when you fold the plastic mouthpiece down. Number 4. DBIW Hydro Flask Wide Mouth Replacement Lid. Stay hydrated with ease. This lid is designed for maximum flow, allowing for simple one-handed drinking. Its superior gasket ensures a 100% leak-proof seal, so you can confidently carry it anywhere. This premium replacement lid is designed to perfectly fit your wide mouth bottles. It's compatible with popular brands like Hydro Flask, Nalgene, and Thermo Flask, ensuring a great fit for your favorite bottle. Enjoy safe and mess-free hydration. Simply twist the small cap to open for a smooth sip and close it tightly for a secure seal. It's ideal for travel, workouts, or daily use. Crafted from premium, BPA-free materials, this lid is built for your health and longevity. The wide mouth design makes sipping and cleaning easy. Plus, it's top-rack dishwasher safe for simple maintenance. Upgrade your bottle with our best-selling Chug lid, designed for fast hydration and everyday durability. It offers high-performance convenience with a spill-proof design, enhancing your drinking experience. As a proud U.S. brand, we are committed to high-quality replacement parts. We stand behind our products and offer reliable customer support to ensure your satisfaction. What we like. Experience effortless hydration with this Chug lid designed for maximum flow and one-handed drinking. If you need a reliable, leak-proof cap for quick sips during intense workouts or busy commutes, this is the one. Its superior gasket and easy-to-use twist-open design make it perfect for active individuals who prioritize convenience and a secure seal. What people say. It has held up this entire time. I use my water bottle every day and have had no problems with it. You can run it through the dishwasher and not tons of little parts to take out and clean, which is really nice. Fit our old Hydro Flask well, no leaks. The handle makes carrying easy too. Number 3. Iron Degree Flask Flex Straw Lid. Introducing the Iron Degree Flask Flex Straw Lid, designed for your modern lifestyle. It's the perfect accessory for your insulated sports water bottle. This straw lid is specifically designed to fit all narrow and standard mouth bottles from Hydro Flask. Enjoy a secure and perfect fit every time. Your package includes everything you need: 2 lids, 4 straws, and 2 cleaning brushes. Stay hydrated and keep your accessories clean with this comprehensive set. It's easy to carry and drink from, offering versatile use as either a straw lid or a sports lid. Simply remove the straw for a different drinking experience. Crafted from quality, BPA-free materials, this lid ensures your safety and provides top-notch durability. Enjoy peace of mind with every sip. Worry less about spills. Our lids are designed to stay firmly secure on your favorite water bottle, preventing any leaks. What we like? This lid offers dual functionality, allowing you to use it as a straw lid or a sports lid without a straw. If you enjoy the flexibility of switching between drinking styles and want a secure, leak-proof option made from quality BPA-free materials, consider this. It's designed to stay on tight, making it suitable for those who are active and want a reliable lid for their Hydro Flask bottles. What people say. The straw lid is a great addition to the standard mouth bottle, making it much easier to drink on the go. It fits perfectly on my Hydro Flask standard mouth bottle and doesn't leak. The straw is durable and the lid is easy to clean. Number 2. FLORAPELL Flip Lid for Hydro Flask Wide Mouth. Meet the ultimate lid for your wide mouth bottle. It's designed for easy sipping, whether you're on a hike or at your desk, keeping your drinks perfectly hot or cold for hours. Enjoy worry-free hydration with our advanced leak-proof design. The secure seal ensures no spills, so you can confidently toss it in your bag. Need a quick drink? This lid opens with a simple flip, allowing for fast, one-handed access. It's perfect for when you're on the move. Crafted from premium, BPA-free materials, this lid is both durable and safe for everyone. It's a healthy choice for your daily hydration needs. This lid is designed to fit most Hydro Flask wide mouth bottles, from 12 to 64 ounces. It's the perfect replacement for your everyday adventures. Take your drink anywhere with ease thanks to the integrated flex strap handle. It makes carrying your bottle more comfortable and convenient. What we like? Upgrade your wide mouth bottle with this coffee-friendly lid, perfect for your daily commute or outdoor adventures. If you're looking for a lid that offers leak-proof sipping, excellent temperature retention for hot or cold beverages, and convenient one-handed operation, this is an excellent choice. Its wide compatibility and secure seal make it ideal for those who want a versatile and reliable lid for various activities. What people say. This lid fits my Hydro Flask perfectly. It's got a tight fit, so it does not leak and is comfortable to drink out of. It's very well made. The threads line up right, no leaking at all, and the handle is sturdy, which is important because I carry my bottle everywhere. It doesn't leak and is easy to carry with the strap. Number 1. Hydro Flask Standard Mouth Replacement Straw Lid. Engineered for your daily adventures, this replacement lid offers a sturdy handle and a snug fit. Its durable construction ensures long-lasting use, making it perfect for replacing old or lost lids on your standard mouth bottle. Designed for active lifestyles, the flip top opens smoothly with just one hand. This allows you to sip water effortlessly while on the go, and the soft, BPA-free straw provides comfort with every sip. This lid is designed to fit multiple brands perfectly, including Hydro Flask Standard Mouth, Simple Modern Ascent, and Clean Canteen Classic bottles. Please ensure your bottle opening is compatible before ordering. Each purchase includes 2 long straws and a cleaning brush. The straws can be trimmed to your desired length for a custom fit, offering great value for refreshing your hydration gear. Made from high-quality, BPA-free materials, this lid is safe for everyone. Our friendly customer support is ready to assist you promptly with any questions, as your satisfaction is our priority. What we like? This replacement straw lid is engineered for active lifestyles, featuring a soft, comfortable mouthpiece and one-hand operation. If you need a durable and secure lid that fits multiple standard mouth bottle brands and allows for a custom straw length, this is the perfect option. It's ideal for cyclists, runners, or anyone who needs easy access to hydration on the go without compromising on comfort or fit. What people say. With this new lid, I now can just flip open the drinking spout or leave it open with the straw inserted. It came with 1 lid, black in color, 2 straws, and a straw cleaning brush. When closed, the drinking spout doesn't leak no matter the angle of the bottle and stays tightly closed. So, you can rest the bottle on its side or put it in a bag without being concerned about it leaking. Also, I sent it through the dishwasher on the top rack, and it is just as good as new. These are the perfect fit. I did cut the straws to fit the depth of the bottles, and I just used a regular pair of scissors. I have not had any problems with the straws coming loose, and they are leak-proof. Mine do not leak. They are still functioning perfectly after several months of daily use. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.